Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics so you can act quickly. Verify your Roblox account email and age, and make sure no parental PIN is blocking changes. Once done, update the Roblox app or browser and the device OS to the latest version. Clear cache and cookies or reinstall the app to remove corrupt data. Also disable any VPN or proxy temporarily, because network masking often triggers privacy errors and blocks account checks. Next, go to Account Settings and select Privacy to change who can join, message, and see you. Set Who Can Join Me to everyone or friends depending on comfort, and allow contacts or chat temporarily to test. If the account is under 13, you'll need a parent to sign in and lift limits from the parent-controlled settings. Make sure no group or restriction is overriding these options. After changes, sign out and sign back in so the server recognizes the updated permissions. To finish, restart your device and router so network changes take effect. Flush the DNS cache or switch to a public DNS like 8.8.8.8 and try joining with a friend's account or a different network to isolate the problem. If reinstalling Roblox doesn't fix it, gather the exact error message, screenshots, device model, app version, and the time it happened, and contact Roblox support. Key troubleshooting tip: if on a school or work network, ask the admin to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.